Norway, a land of dramatic contrasts. Towering mountains pierce the sky, deep fjords carve through ancient landscapes, waterfalls cascade down sheer cliffs. This is a country where nature reigns supreme. Imagine standing at the edge of a fjord. The air is crisp and clean. The scent of pine fills your nostrils. Before you, a ribbon of deep blue water stretches into the distance. Above, snow-capped peaks touch the clouds. The scale is immense, humbling. This is Norway's raw, untamed beauty. It is a sight that will stay with you forever. Oslo, Norway's capital city, is a vibrant blend of old and new. Sleek, modern architecture sits alongside historic buildings. World-class museums showcase Viking artifacts and contemporary art. Wander through the Viking Ship Museum. Here, you'll encounter remarkably preserved longboats. These vessels once carried fierce warriors across the seas. Imagine the stories these ships could tell. Visit the Akershus Fortress, a medieval castle overlooking the harbour. Stroll down Karl Johans Gate, Oslo's main street. Enjoy the lively atmosphere and charming cafes. Oslo is a city that seamlessly blends its rich past with a modern, cosmopolitan present. Bergen, nestled between 7 majestic mountains, is a charming city with a rich maritime history that dates back centuries. This picturesque city is often referred to as the gateway to the fjords, and it has been a vital port for trade and commerce throughout its long history. Its colourful wooden houses line the historic wharf, Bryggen, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. These buildings, with their vibrant facades, tell stories of a bygone era when Bergen was a bustling centre of trade. This was once a bustling trading hub of the Hanseatic League, a powerful commercial and defensive confederation of merchant guilds and market towns in northwestern and central Europe. Explore the narrow alleys and cobblestone streets that wind through the city, each turn revealing a new piece of Bergen's storied past. These streets have witnessed centuries of history, from medieval times to the present day. Breathe in the salty air as you stroll along the waterfront, where the sea breeze carries with it the scent of the ocean and the promise of adventure. Feel the history all around you, as the city's atmosphere is steeped in the tales of sailors, merchants and explorers who once called Bergen home. Visit the Hanseatic Museum to step back in time and immerse yourself in the lives of the Hanseatic merchants. The museum's exhibits showcase historical artifacts that provide a glimpse into the daily lives and trade practices of these influential figures. Discover the lives of the merchants who once ruled the waves, their stories intertwined with the rise and fall of maritime trade in the region. Take a funicular ride up Mount Fløyen for breathtaking panoramic views of the city, the fjord, and the surrounding mountains. From this vantage point, you can truly appreciate the natural beauty that makes Bergen such a unique and captivating destination. Bergen is a captivating city that will steal your heart with its scenic views, rich history and vibrant culture. Whether you're exploring its historic sites or simply enjoying the stunning landscapes, Bergen offers an unforgettable experience for every visitor. The fjords are Norway's crown jewels, a testament to the country's stunning natural beauty. Carved by glaciers over millennia, these deep inlets are a sight to behold, with their serene waters and dramatic landscapes. Imagine cruising along these waterways surrounded by nature's grandeur. Sheer cliffs rise up on either side, creating a breathtaking corridor of rock and water. Waterfalls cascade down the rock faces, adding to the enchanting atmosphere. The air is filled with the sound of rushing water, a soothing symphony of nature. Look up and you might spot eagles soaring overhead, their wings spread wide against the sky. Take a boat trip from Bergen to witness the beauty of Sognefjord, the king of the fjords, with its vast expanse and tranquil waters. Explore the narrow Norway Fjord, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, where the fjord narrows to just 250 meters wide. Marvel at the towering cliffs of Geirangafjord, another UNESCO gem known for its stunning waterfalls and lush greenery. Each fjord offers a unique perspective on the raw power and beauty of nature, from the tranquil waters to the rugged cliffs and cascading waterfalls. Experience the magic of the midnight sun, where the sun barely dips below the horizon, casting a golden glow over the fjords. And in the winter, Witness the northern lights dancing across the sky, a spectacular display of colors that illuminates the fjords in a mystical light. Whether you're cruising, hiking, or kayaking, the fjords of Norway offer an unforgettable adventure, a journey through some of the most awe-inspiring landscapes on Earth. Section 5. The Northern Lights, a celestial spectacle. The Northern Lights, or Aurora Borealis, are one of nature's most breathtaking displays. This magical display of dancing lights in the night sky has fascinated humans for centuries. This natural phenomenon occurs when charged particles from the sun collide with the Earth's atmosphere, creating a stunning visual effect. Imagine gazing up at the sky on a clear winter night, the air crisp and cold. Suddenly, streaks of green, pink and purple light dance across the darkness, painting the sky with their vibrant hues. It's a mesmerizing and unforgettable experience that leaves you in awe of the universe's beauty. Head north to Tromsø, known as the gateway to the Arctic, for the best chance to witness this celestial valley. Tromsø offers a unique vantage point with its clear skies and minimal light pollution, making it an ideal location for viewing the northern lights. Dress warmly and prepare to be amazed by nature's own light show. The Northern Lights are not just a visual spectacle, they are a reminder of the incredible forces at work in our universe. So take a moment to appreciate this natural wonder and let it inspire a sense of wonder and curiosity about the world around us. Section 6. Lofoten Islands, where the sun never sets. The Lofoten Islands, located above the Arctic Circle, are a photographer's paradise. Imagine jagged peaks rising dramatically from the sea. Colourful fishing villages cling to the shoreline. During the summer months, experience the midnight sun. This natural phenomenon bathes the islands in a surreal golden light for 24 hours a day. Hike to the top of Bryggen for breathtaking panoramic views. Visit charming fishing villages like Fjords and Hanseatic. Kayak through crystal clear waters. The Lofoten Islands offer a unique blend of natural beauty and tranquility. Section 7. The Sami, guardians of nature and tradition. The Sami are the indigenous people of northern Norway, Sweden, Finland and Russia. For centuries they have lived in harmony with nature, herding reindeer and preserving their unique culture. Visit a Sami camp to learn about their traditional way of life. Listen to stories and songs passed down through generations. Experience the warmth of their hospitality. Witness the beauty of reindeer herding. Learn about the importance of reindeer in Sami culture. Purchase handcrafted Sami crafts such as knives, jewelry and reindeer hides. Embrace the opportunity to connect with this ancient culture. Section 8. Hiking adventures, Trolltunga and Preikestolen. Norway is a hiker's paradise, offering trails for all levels of experience. For a challenging but rewarding hike, tackle Trolltunga, the Troll's Tongue. This rock formation juts out over the edge of a cliff, offering incredible views. Another iconic hike is Preikestolen, or Pulpit Rock. This massive cliff plateau rises 604 meters above the Fjords. These hikes are not for the faint of heart, but the rewards are worth the effort. Just remember to come prepared with proper gear and plenty of water. Section 9. Stave churches, architectural marvels from the Middle Ages. Norway is home to a unique collection of medieval wooden churches known as stave churches. These architectural marvels, built without a single nail, feature intricate carvings and soaring wooden posts. Visit the Bergen Stave Church, one of the best preserved stave churches in Norway. Step inside and marvel at the craftsmanship of the Viking age. Admire the intricate carvings that adorn the walls and roof. Imagine the generations of worshippers who have sought solace within these walls. The stave churches are a testament to the ingenuity and artistry of Norway's past. Section 10. Arctic wildlife. A glimpse into the polar world. Venture north to experience the wonders of Norway's Arctic wildlife. Embark on a whale-watching tour for a chance to spot humpback whales, orcas, and even the elusive sperm whale. Visit the Polar Park, a wildlife park dedicated to Arctic animals. Observe musk oxen, Arctic foxes, and wolves in their natural habitat. Learn about the challenges these animals face in a changing climate. Gain a deeper appreciation for the delicate balance of life in the Arctic. A journey to Norway is an opportunity to witness the beauty of these creatures firsthand. Section 11. Taste of Norway, culinary delights and lasting impressions. No trip to Norway is complete without sampling the local cuisine. Indulge in fresh seafood, from succulent salmon to delicate king crab. Try traditional dishes like farikal, a hearty lamb and cabbage stew. Savor brunost, a caramelized brown cheese often served with waffles or toast. Warm up with a cup of strong Norwegian coffee. The flavors of Norway are as diverse and captivating as its landscapes. From the first bite to the last, your culinary journey will leave a lasting impression.